How to reset or recover YouCut password reset tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can reset or recover our YouCut password, so you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Normally if you open up the YouCut app, basically it does not require you to have any sort of sign in, so you can see you can begin editing videos immediately as soon as you've opened the app, and all of your video projects and any other thing is actually saved locally to your phone's internal storage. And because there is no online account system, right, there is no password to remember, recover or reset. So YouCut does not have a user account, login system or even a password to reset. So hopefully this video helped you clarify your doubt on how YouCut works and there isn't an account in the first place from where you can choose to reset your password. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.